Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a fabulous day and you're safe wherever you are. So okay. Before going any further in the video, let me remind you once again, this is not a clickbait guys. I never do clickbait or nor I will. So this is not a clickbait video. Now I am not a star agent yet. I definitely want to be one of them. But my friend recently has been added to the Star Creator Club, and congratulations my friend. His name is MK Gaming 4059. So amazing player, amazing content creator, and he is very helpful to the players. So guys, if any of you want a crystal coupon code or anything like that, he is giving away 10 crystal coupon tonight in his live stream. So I will be providing you with the link of the giveaway video. All the instruction is given in the video. Go to the channel, give that a like, and yeah, hope you all win the crystal coupon. So what we are going to do today is, guys, we will be taking a look at the forgotten yeah, I call it forgotten, but he is not forgotten. A forgotten hot dog eating monster, that is Quicksilver guys. Tier 3 Quicksilver is still a monster, and I will be showcasing how much of a monster he is. Now with the latest introduction of the tier 3s, believe me, they have the defense down, and they just put too much amount of damage. But this man has crazy raw damage guys, crazy raw damage. So as you can see the details guys, 130 attack speed, cooldown is maxed out, nothing else is maxed out. 44 crit rate, crit damage is 183, and ignore defense is 43%. So apart from the attack speed and cooldown, nothing is maxed out. Gear Salor at 25, 5-star Urus, crit damage, physical attacks, and 1 Odin's Blessing as well. Skills are all at level 6, rank 2 type enhancement, and we have a fully awakened power of Angry Hulk ISO set bonus 12. We also have a CDP of energy guys, which in my opinion is the best one to go. I do have to roll this one because the crit damage is really low, and we have a mythic uniform as you can see guys, with only one optional uniform, that is the Ronin one. I didn't bother to buy these uniforms. Maybe I can consider in the Black Friday, but not now. Now if you are wondering what we are going to do, we will be using this team up guys. Yeah, I call it the devastating trio. Now why I call that, because man, this team doesn't have any support, and then also they just obliterate. This is an OP team setup guys. So what we are going to do, we will be hitting the tier 3 skill of Doctor Strange, and as you can see it has a 60% decrease of all defense that stacks up to 60%. That is, one hit is enough to bypass that 60%. But amazing thing is that Weapon Hex has her 4th skill, which has 100% ignore defense, but the only problem is that Weapon Hex herself cannot put that 100% defense down. But as you saw, he has the 60% defense down, so 2 hit is enough, and this tier 3 skill of Quicksilver will melt if the defense down is stacked up. So without further ado guys, the video is already getting lengthy, so let's start the video. So we will be taking down stage 99 Corvus Glaive using this team setup, and the strikers are only the increased damage dealers, because Quicksilver has a 84% ignore dodge, and remember Doctor Strange has his leadership, which gives 25% ignore dodge. So what we are going to do here is we will try to build the tier 3 of Quicksilver as soon as possible. As he crosses that 90% of the mark in the charging up of tier 3, we will switch to Doctor Strange. Now the same techniques goes for tier 3 Doctor Strange. We will charge up the tier 3 of Doctor Strange very fast as soon as possible, and we know that he has the fastest tier 3 charging in the game, so it is very easy to charge his tier 3. Now as the tier 3 is ready, hit that tier 3. As the summons come out, switch to Weapon Hex, use her 4th skill, 2 is enough, switch to Quicksilver, 3-5 tier 3, sorry 3-5 tier 3, and boom, look at that damage. So that damage is really amazing, and we missed the proc there. Yeah, we missed the proc. The 5th skill took the proc, so not the best proc out of there, and this was not by far not the best run. So yeah, and this, what is the plus point of this setup guys, this team setup, is that we don't have any support guys. We do not have any support character, and still he is clearing stage 99. Now this is because Quicksilver natively has very high raw damage in his skills, and his tier 3 skill has a damage proc of 100% all attack. That increases damage by 100% for one attack, and that also synergizes very well with the chain hit and the CTP of energy that my Quicksilver is having. So here we are still not, this is not the best run guys, we are still behind the clock, and so I will try to make up that time up. So I'm doing really fast, I'm spamming the skills really fast. And 3 things you need to note about this team setup. Number 1 is you need a lot of switching, so you should have a good switching technique. So as you can see there, we had the full proc and you saw the damage guys. This is stage 99. Yeah, I do have I do have a good card setup. I have around 70% physical attack on my cards, and I do have a good setup for my Quicksilver, a good build for my Quicksilver, and not to mention my Conqueror level is also really high, 82 Conqueror level. So that should also be considered guys. And yeah man, I just love to make old tier 3 sign again, because we all have invested guys, so there's no point that we are not going to use them. So what is the fact? So here we already have half of the time left, so this is going to be a very tight run. So yeah, okay guys, let me remind you once again, the giveaway is tonight in the live stream, and his gaming channel is MK Gaming 4059. So those who want that crystal coupons, please go and participate in the live stream, and hope that you win. And he is an amazing friend of mine, and he's just an amazing player. So yeah, do if you like, do consider subscribing the channel. So I'm literally promoting, but yeah, he's my friend, so I can. So you can see here, this team setup has so many benefits guys. Number 1, Doctor Strange can infinitely lock down Corvus Glaive. Yeah man, when the proc goes, man, the damage is really amazing, and I love that. Now second thing, Quicksilver has a very high native dodge, so that is why I can do things like that. Otherwise you don't want to be in the face of Corvus Glaive, or he will just straight up kill you. So Doctor Strange can lock down Corvus Glaive infinitely, and number 2, Quicksilver has really high dodge, so survivability is never an issue in this team setup. Number 2, the defense down is accurate guys. Yeah, only thing you need to know that Weapon Hex has put her defense down using the 4th skill. That is the only thing you need to note. Number 3 thing that you need to consider in your run is try to avoid the blade twisters, because if you get snared, man, the defense down window is really small. So if you get snared, the defense down window will close and you will not do any damage. So that is another thing to note. If you choose a stage which do not have the blade twister, that would be really amazing. So you can see here guys, I think we may clear this in this round. So yeah, boom, 31 seconds left guys, stage 99 Quicksilver. So yeah, very amazing run guys. I'm really impressed, and I'm really happy that I used Quicksilver again. I do use him regularly. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video guys, and if you like the video guys, please like the video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell guys to never miss out any video from my side.